It's December 24th. We're at the Splash Car Wash in Ankeny, Iowa. This is a 8-bay car wash, 4 self-service and 4 touch-free automatics. We're going to go through one of the touch-free automatics here in just a little bit today. You can see there's quite a lineup. So we're at the payer machine. There it is, Will. See, we can choose the sapphire, the ruby, the emerald, or the diamond wash. The diamond wash being 10. And here's what the different washes will get. It's kind of hard to see. What wash do you want to do, Will?
Deluxe.
Willie wants to do the deluxe, so we're going to do the deluxe here. I'm going to put my card in here.
Please make a selection first, then insert your card.
I didn't do it right.
Please deposit the amount shown. Processing.
It's processing.
Thank you for your purchase. For a receipt, press print or pull into the wash bay.
Alright, now we just have to wait our turn, don't we, Will?
Yep.
You see the... We chose the diamond wash. It's hard to see, but we get high pressure rocket panel blast, double pass hot pre-soak cleaner, high pressure soap wash, triple coat protection, clear coat protection, high pressure rinse, and spot free rinse and wind shear dry. So we got the deluxe package. We got the emerald, the ruby, and the sapphire. So we just got to wait our turn here. Still a red light. We got one car ahead of us, so we'll be ready to go.
And make sure
What do you think?
good.
You ready to go through?
Yep. And roll your window up, Dad.
Alright, it's green, so what's that mean?
No.
Alright, here we go. We're pulling into bay number 8. We're going to go real careful because we're going to get the undercarriage wash here in a second. I went too far. I have to back up. Okay, we are now waiting for the car wash to start. The garage door behind us has gone down, and here comes the machines.
And the soap.
Here it comes.
Yes.
We have
But the car
You can see the sign says pre-soak.
pre-soap. It's pre-soap with car. The pre-soap on my car. The pre-soap on my car. That's why we pay for deluxe.
Really wanted the deluxe.
Yeah. That's why we pay for deluxe. And the glasses are always coming on. And the tummy. Almost coming. It's almost coming.
There's the car wash guy. You can't see him, but he's standing down there. Hard to see. Well, we got the blaster, the rocker panel blaster going.
More glare glasses are coming. And more soap coming. And here's the windshield cleaner's glasses. we pay for the box and we press going on our fog lights and on our can you open up the roof? It's doing on our roof. It's doing on our roof. That's why it's coming on our roof. It's coming. What are we doing now? Colors. Now this is the color. They're the kind of colors. Ride a car. And the glasses are coming back on. And they're coming around our roof. They're coming around our roof. That's why they're coming around our roof. And they're coming around my side and Elizabeth's side. That's why we pay for it in the box. We pay.
Here comes the clear coat wax coming on next. What?
The wax is coming and it almost is factory red.
The spot-free rinse is going on next.
Yep. Do it have wax?
I already got the wax.
Good? Good. So that's why it goes around our car everywhere.
Okay, now we are proceeding. We have a green light. Green means go. Go through the super dry next. Here we go. Back of the car wash. They have not only a attendant, there's the shampoo and vacuum station, fragrance vacuum. That guy got his car all clean.
And Daddy?
There's a clean Chevy.
Hey, where's wash?
Another clean one.
Dad,
Them all
can we
clean.
wash?
There's a bunch of cars in the bays this morning. Chevy getting clean.
And
A
that
couple
guy's
other
cool.
cars. There's the helper guy. Yep, so they're pretty busy today. Well, that was pretty neat. What do you think, Will?
Dad, can we watch?
Well, that was pretty cool, wasn't it? We're in Ankeny, Iowa today with Will Harms, owner of the Splash Car Wash. Will, can you tell us about your car wash?
Okay. Our Trinity Bay is a QuickSilver, but that she didn't go in, but the guy just walked in and it all through.
many bays do you have at your car wash?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 bays.
Days.
Are they all touch-free or are they do-it-yourself?
Well, you see there's a bay, but that one doesn't. You just like screw down your phone. The blaster comes on under your car. And that's right. The blaster is straight down right there.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
And all these cars either choose the diamond wash, the basic, or the deluxe.
And do you have any brushes or are they all touch-free washes?
It's all the touch-free.
And what made you decide to go touch-free and not a brush system?
Well, it don't do it too much, but a little bit do.
You?
Yeah, but our tires were pretty green, but it had those tire blasters that go around.
Oh, the blasters that go around, yeah. I see. Well, looks like you're having a pretty good day today. A lot of business.
Yeah, now you need car wash guy.
So you're a good car wash guy. Concludes our tour today with Will Harms, owner of Splash Car Wash. Anything else you'd like to say, Will?
Well,
It's like you run a good business. Nice and clean around here. 3 bays going all the time.
yeah, but it is snowy outside.
Here's the super dry.
That's the snowy guy over there. You take her to walk.
All right, say goodbye.